what benefits do you see from producing campaigns that integrate video, text, and audio together?
Harmony. The word is harmony, right? You get, most of the challenges we have in campaigns is that they are, they're islands of messaging, right? But you can create harmony in these pieces. The Goldcast, I think the product that going from, hey, I can have this rich long form video, but then I can create these discrete assets, but there's a connective tissue across these assets on this overall campaign and do it instantly. I think that is a big advantage rather than, a brand marketer writing this copy for this website and then somebody creating a video and then somebody creating a blog post, and who's driving the connective tissue on an operational basis, right? From that perspective, I think that can be a big advantage from that standpoint. And the good news is that it's fast, so that you have the opportunity to update, change human in the loop, but it can get that first cut of harmony doing much faster than before.